that cup. Go, go, go.
Come on, Michael.
Go get that cup.
Come on, bud. Yay. Come on.
Hi, he's getting close. Sir.
Connor, out of the way.
See if we can get all the way to
You
here.
keep moving it further away.
How he's gonna get all the way to right here?
Come on, Michael.
How about right here?
Look, he's going. Get out of the way. Come on, Michael. Army girl, look. Almost, bud.
I can't breathe. He did it. What he did?
He crawled. He did. He did.
What did he do?
Oh, man. Ow. Not a step stool. Michael.
I'm going to teach you all the old school wrestling moves.